In this video, we listed the 5 best multicolor 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Geeetech Mizar M IDEX 3D Printer. The GIANTARM Mizar M is a versatile metal 3D printer designed to enhance the printing experience with unique capabilities. It features a multicolor printing mode that allows users to switch between 2 filaments, enabling models to appear in 2 different colors, thus expanding creative possibilities beyond traditional monochrome printing. Additionally, it offers a mixed color printing mode where users can blend 2 filaments to produce new colors or gradient effects. The printer is equipped with advanced technology such as a 3D touch auto leveling system, which efficiently aligns the nozzle and heating bed within 5 minutes, and a 32-bit TMC2208 silent board that reduces operational noise to 47 dB for a quieter printing environment. Its robust design includes double Z-axis screws and an all-metal body structure, enhancing printing stability and precision. The Mizar M supports various filament types, including PLA, ABS, and PETG, and undergoes rigorous testing before shipment. It comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, ensuring reliability and customer satisfaction. Number 2. Sovol SV0 for IDEX 3D Printer. The Sovol SV0 for 3D printer is a versatile and advanced printer designed for high-quality prints with a variety of materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, PC, PA, wood, ASA, and PVA. It features independent dual direct drive metal extruders that enable printing in 4 different modes, allowing for simultaneous printing of 2 colors, materials, or models in the same or opposite direction. The printer boasts a larger build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm compared to previous models, and its modular design facilitates quick assembly. Equipped with an auto-leveling sensor and a 32-bit TMC2209 silent board, the SV0 ensures optimal bed adhesion and print quality while operating quietly. The flexible magnetic building plate allows for easy removal of prints without tools, while the built-in 500W power supply provides stable performance and protects against power surges. Additionally, the fully upgraded 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen offers intuitive control with day, night mode and filament replacement capabilities, making long-duration printing more manageable. Number 3. FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2. The FLASHFORGE 3D Printer Creator Pro 2 is a sophisticated 3D printing device designed for versatility and precision. It features an independent dual direct drive extruder system, allowing for more complex and detailed prints. The printer comes equipped with 2 spools, enabling the use of multiple materials or colors simultaneously. It offers for different printing modes, providing users with flexibility to choose the best setting for their specific project needs. The printer is constructed with a durable metal frame structure, ensuring stability and longevity. Additionally, it includes acrylic covers for safety and protection during the printing process. The build platform has been optimized for improved performance, making it a reliable choice for both professional and personal use. Number 4. GIANTARM Geeetech A20M 3D Printer. The GIANTARM 20M Mixcolor 3D Printer is a versatile and user-friendly device designed for efficient and colorful 3D printing. It features a robust all-metal construction and comes 95% pre-assembled, allowing users to start printing within 15 minutes of setup. The printer is equipped with a 2-in-1 extruder module that supports multicolor printing using different filaments on a single nozzle, making it easy to create vibrant models. It includes a resume print function, which ensures that printing can continue from the last recorded position after power outages, minimizing time loss and material waste. With a generous printing size of 255x255x255 mm cubed, users can fully utilize the building platform for detailed prints. The printer also boasts a high-powered and safe power supply with dual fuses to protect against power surges, capable of heating the build surface to 90 in just 5 minutes. GIANTARM provides lifetime technical support and 24-hour customer service for any queries related to the printer. Number 5. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is a 3D printer designed to meet the needs of most users with its printing size of 225 by 225 by 280 mm, 8.85 by 8.85 by 11 inches. It features an STM32 motherboard and silent stepper motors on all axes, which ensure quieter and more precise movement during printing, reducing noise levels to as low as 47 to 48 dB. The printer is easy to set up, with main components pre-assembled and a complete tool kit included for quick installation. It boasts a dual-gear direct extruder made of high-quality stainless steel with a 3:1 reduction ratio, providing smoother filament feeding and more stable, accurate printing. This reduces nozzle clogging and under-extrusion issues, making it compatible with various filaments like PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS. The nozzle kit includes a titanium alloy throat pipe, aluminum alloy flat heat sink, and brass nozzle for improved heat dissipation and reduced nozzle clogging. The printer offers a smarter printing experience with auto bed leveling that uses a high-precision sensor to scan the hotbed and adjust the Z-axis height for any irregularities. It also features auto pores when the filament runs out or breaks and allows resuming printing after a power outage. The Z-axis is equipped with dual synchronized lead screws and dual motor drive for more stable movement and higher printing accuracy, complemented by a 4-wheel V-guide rail pulley made of POM for enhanced stability, low noise, wear resistance, and longer service life.